The Khan of Gods!
Okay, so I have literally just finished watching MKBHD's video as well as Mr. Mobile's video on the Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus, which is supposed to be available to ship starting tomorrow or today, depending on what time zone you're living in right now. But yeah, the reason why I'm making this video is because it seems as if we're in this world right now, basically, where everything is a subscription or an upgrade of something that you previously had. Essentially, almost every company is moving to this business model where you have to continue to chug out money and give them money every few months or every month or every year, or I don't know. It's just crazy to me. But I think you should not buy the Galaxy Note 10 or the Note 10 Plus or any Samsung flagship phone in the first few months that it comes out. And I promise you, that's not me trying to say don't enjoy new technology or try bleeding edge technology or anything like that. That's not the point of this video. But think about the track record of the Galaxy phones, the Galaxy flagship phones for the last few years. After 12 months, you can literally get the exact same phone for half the price that it launches for. So why exactly are you rushing to get a phone for $10.99 tomorrow or $9.49 tomorrow, whatever the case may be for the option that you want to buy, when you can literally just wait a few months and get the exact same phone for $500? It literally doesn't make any sense to me. I mean, I can understand it if you're doing it because you're like a YouTuber or like a journalist or something, and you have to put out videos for people to see and get like informed information about these devices. But why would you, somebody who works for your money, take out $1,000.99 and go buy a phone that in a few months is going to be half the price? It just doesn't make any sense to me. Why would anybody do that? I don't know. That's just food for thought. I know this video is probably unnecessary to a lot of people, and I probably wouldn't have made this video for an iPhone event or something, because honestly, let's be completely honest, I may not use or like iPhones, but they do hold on to their values a lot longer. But Samsung phones do not, so don't fall for it. Don't take your hard-earned money and go buy a phone that's going to depreciate aggressively over the next few months. I mean, by January, that phone is probably going to be $700, $600 anyway. So I say wait like I always wait to get my phones, so that you can pay a reasonable amount of money for them. Anyways, that's all I wanted to say. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening to me rant. And if you enjoyed this video, I actually have more meaningful, more serious videos on my channel that you should check out. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification, and I will see you guys on another video that was shot by Kagan, I guess. Bye.
The Khan of Gods!